next on Disney XD. Saturday on Disney.
Tornado emergency for Montgomery County. A tornado warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. for central Montgomery County. At 10:56 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Trotwood, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for sections of central Montgomery County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Radar shows tornado debris in the air. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Huber Heights, Trotwood, Vandalia, Englewood, Moraine, Oakwood, Clayton, Union, Shiloh, Fort McKinley, Northview, Drexel, and Dayton International Airport. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 25 and 35. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 49 and 64. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Bagels.